Top health benefits of guava. Despite being a tropical fruit with a unique flavor and scent, guava is also well known for its numerous health-improving characteristics. It's high in vitamins and minerals, with 4 times the vitamin C of an orange and 10 times the vitamin A of a lemon. It also includes vitamins B2, E, and K, as well as calcium, folate, fiber, copper, iron, potassium, manganese, and phosphorus. 1. Maintains oral health. Because of its anti-plaque characteristics, guava leaves are particularly effective in preventing and treating dental disorders. The leaves have antibacterial, analgesic, and anti-inflammatory qualities that help to reduce gum irritation and refresh your breath. Guava leaves can also be used to treat sore gums, toothaches, and oral ulcers. 2. Enhances heart health. Eating guava on a regular basis can lower blood pressure and blood lipids. This is due to the fact that guava is high in potassium, soluble fiber, and vitamin C. Regular consumption of pink-fleshed guava may reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. 3. Treatment of diarrhea. Guava leaf extract inhibits the development of the bacterium Staphylococcus aureus, which is a major cause of diarrhea. Guava fruit's antibacterial properties assist in the cleansing of the digestive tract, inhibiting microbial and bacterial development, while fiber aids in normal excretion and digesting. 4. Helps to control diabetes. The hypoglycemic impact of guava juice is effective in the treatment of diabetes mellitus. Guava is particularly beneficial to diabetics due to its high fiber content and low glycemic index. The fibers regulate blood sugar levels, while the low glycemic index protects against a rapid surge in blood sugar levels. 5. Boosts your immunity. Guava, which is high in vitamin C, may significantly enhance your immune, protecting you from inflammations and infections. Furthermore, guava's anti-inflammatory properties and capacity to block inflammatory chemicals such as prostaglandins help keep you disease-free. 6. Reduces the risk of cancer. Guava is beneficial in cancer therapy and prevention because of the presence of quercetin, lycopene, and vitamin C. These components neutralize free radicals that harm the body and can lead to cancer. Guava consumption on a regular basis can also help prevent cancers such as skin, breast, stomach, mouth, lung, and colon cancer. 7. Enhances vision. With vitamin A being an essential vitamin for clear eyesight, guava provides the assistance we require due to the high quantities of vitamin A it contains. This fruit can help you enhance your vision if you eat it on a regular basis. It can also help delay the progression of cataracts and macular degeneration, 2 typical visual issues associated with aging. 8. Improves cognitive function. Guava can help keep your brain, one of your body's key organs, healthy. Guava improves our cognitive function and sharpens our attention. This fruit, which is high in vitamin C and other potent antioxidants, helps nourish the brain and mental performance. The potassium in guava also aids in the maintenance of the brain's electrical conductivity, which is vital for increasing both thinking and remembering capacity. 9. Maintains skin health. Guava, particularly red guava, is high in antioxidants. Guava contains vitamin C, which stimulates the development of collagen and elastin, 2 structural proteins that help keep your skin tight and elastic. Furthermore, the astringent characteristics of unripe guava and guava leaves enhance skin texture, protect it from the sun's UV rays, and prevent acne and pimples from forming. 10. Thyroid health is regulated. Guava is an excellent source of copper, which is crucial for thyroid health. The thyroid gland is one of the most important glands in the body for regulating hormones and organ system performance. Guava also has potassium and anti-inflammatory qualities, which can boost thyroid function. Furthermore, guava aids with weight reduction and reduces tiredness. Be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.